Discover the best 5 microwave ovens with top-notch features for your kitchen. Explore their functionalities, design, and performance to make an informed purchase decision. Shop now and upgrade your cooking experience. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see the price and more information, you can check out the link given in the description. If this is your first time on this channel, please smash the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more videos like this. They will help you better buying decisions. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting on at number 5. Toshiba EM925A5ASS. The Toshiba EM925A5ASS countertop microwave oven is a sleek and efficient appliance designed for your kitchen. With a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet and a 10.6-inch removable turntable, it provides ample space for your cooking needs. The 900W power ensures quick and even heating, while the 6 auto menus offer convenient preset options for popular dishes. The mute function and eco mode provide added versatility and energy-saving capabilities. The child lock feature ensures safety in households with young children. LED lighting illuminates the interior for easy monitoring of your food. Made with stainless steel, this microwave oven combines durability with a modern aesthetic. At number 4, COMFEE CMM093 ARD Retro Microwave. The COMFEE CMM093 ARD Retro Microwave is a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its vibrant red color and retro design, it adds a touch of nostalgia to your cooking space. This microwave features 9 preset programs, making it easy to cook a variety of meals with just the touch of a button. The fast multi-stage cooking function allows you to program multiple cooking stages for optimal results. It also has a turntable reset function, kitchen timer, and mute function for added convenience. The LED digital display ensures easy readability, while the 0.9 cubic feet capacity and 900W power provide ample cooking space and efficient performance. Additionally, the eco mode helps save energy. Moving at number 3, Farberware Countertop Microwave. The Farberware Countertop Microwave is a versatile and convenient appliance perfect for apartments and dorms. With a powerful 1000 watts of cooking power, it can quickly heat or defrost your meals. The 1.1 cubic feet capacity provides ample space for a variety of dishes. The microwave features LED lighting, making it easy to monitor your food while it cooks. The child lock function ensures safety, preventing accidental use by little ones. The metallic red exterior adds a stylish touch to any kitchen decor. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the Easy Clean feature. The Farberware Countertop Microwave is the ideal choice for fast and efficient cooking in compact spaces. At number 2, Panasonic Microwave Oven NNSN686S. The Panasonic NNSN686S stainless steel microwave oven is a versatile and efficient appliance for your kitchen. With its inverter technology and Genius sensor, it delivers precise and consistent cooking results every time. The 1.2 cubic foot capacity allows you to easily prepare meals for your family or guests. The 1200W power ensures quick and efficient cooking, while the stainless steel construction adds a sleek and modern look to your countertop. This microwave oven can be used as a built-in or placed on the countertop, providing flexibility in your kitchen setup. Whether you're defrosting, reheating, or cooking from scratch, this Panasonic microwave oven is a reliable and convenient choice. Finally, at number 1, Panasonic NNSN67K Microwave Oven. The Panasonic NNSN67K microwave oven is a sleek and efficient kitchen appliance with a capacity of 1.2 cubic feet. It features a stylish stainless steel and silver design that complements any kitchen decor. This microwave offers powerful performance, allowing you to quickly and evenly heat your food. With its advanced inverter technology, it delivers precise power levels for better cooking results. The large turntable ensures even cooking and accommodates a variety of dish sizes. The microwave also includes convenient features like one-touch sensor cooking and reheating, making it easy to prepare your favorite meals. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls make it a perfect addition to any modern kitchen. Thank you for watching the videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments.